Hey and welcome back to this channel. My name is Roman and in this video I want to show you how you can build your own goal tracker Notion template. And we'll build a system where you can define areas of your life, then set goals for each area of the life and break down those goals into small actionable steps that you need to complete in order to achieve that goal. So let's get started. For our Notion goal tracker, we will need three databases to store our areas, to store goals, and also to store tasks. So let's just go ahead and create those. Press slash and type table and select table view, new table. And we give it a name, let's say areas, and press three dots, hide database title, and edit view and rename it to areas. Then we do the same for goals, table view, new table, goals, hide database title, and rename to goals. And the last database for tasks. So we select table view, new table, tasks, hide database title, and edit view tasks. When we have our databases, we can now create properties for those databases. So for areas, we will need a description of type text. Then for goals, we can also add description of type text. And then for our tasks, we need date for planning, then completed checkbox, so type checkbox. And now we can connect our tasks to our area, to our goals, and then our goals to our areas. So we just make a new property here called goals, goal of type relation, and we connect it to goals database. And we set it limit to one page and we make it as a two-way relation because we also want to see those tasks inside the goals. So just add relation. So now here, let's make this page as a full width page. It says the goals, we can connect goals to areas. So let's just do the same. We type area and relation and connect it to areas. One page limit, two-way relation. Now inside the goals, we can add the progress tracker and also compute all tasks for this goal. Let's just add the new property total tasks of type formula, edit formula, total tasks plus tasks dot length and progress. So new property of type formula, and basically progress is just all completed tasks divided by all tasks for that goal. So tasks dot filter current dot completed is true dot length divided by tasks dot length, and we can format this number as percent and show as, let's say, bar. And now what we want to do is, let's say you press on an area and you want to see all goals for that area, and same for goals. So you press on a goal and you want to see all tasks for that goal. And we do that using database templates. So here in the dropdown, hover over the dropdown for areas and press new template. And we can add icon for the area. And let's say we by default we hide goals here. And here we just add, let's say, new heading 3, goals, and we add the gallery view of our goals. New gallery view, don't show database title, let's say just all goals as a name. Then inside properties, we can show, let's say, description and progress, and let's say total tasks. And then we go to filter and we select area equals to new page. And we just set this template here to default. And now when we create new area, let's say finances, some description. And if we open this area, we will see goals here. And let's create a new area called business, some area description. Now let's do the same for goals. So when we open goal, we want to see all tasks for the goal. Here, hover over the drop-down, new template. We can add some icon. Let's say this one. Let's move description up and tasks. Let's say we always hide. So you have description area, progress, and tasks, total tasks. And let's add new heading, tasks. And let's just add a new table view for our tasks. A new table view, don't show database title. And properties, we don't really need to show goal here because we already know it from the page. And we go to filter and select goal equals to new page. And let's rename it to all. So now we can just duplicate. And let's say we show here not completed. We go to filter, add filter, completed, unchecked. And let's also duplicate and rename to completed. And we go to filter, completed is checked. So we just set this template to default. And now let's also add a template for tasks. So new template, and we just want to add icon. And we can also move this date up and goal up. So let's just add a new goal. Let's say save 10,000. And one thing we forgot for our goals is a deadline. Deadline of type date. And we can move it here. Save 10,000, some description /y. Deadline, let's say by the end of 2025, so 2026, 31st of December of 2025, area, finances. And if we now go to finances, we will see our goal here. Now we can add some tasks. So let's say audit my expenses, date tomorrow, not completed, and we set this goal, save 10,000. Now we see the progress here, 0%, and task loaded my task. Oh, we didn't set it as default. And let's delete this task and recreate. Audit my expenses tomorrow, goal, save 10,000. And we can also add a new task, let's say transfer 500. And let's set today and goal, save 10,000. Now when we open this goal, we can see our tasks for this goal. And let's say we completed this task, we see the progress 50%. And we have 2 total tasks. So now we can change these views to gallery view. So we just go to layout and select gallery. Card preview none. Card size medium, wrap all properties, it's fine. Then we go to properties here and let's say we add description. And we do the same for our goals. So edit view, layout, gallery, card preview none. And then inside properties, we can show deadline, let's say description, and progress, and let's say total tasks. And tasks we can edit and we can group those tasks by goals. So we go to this group, goal, so group by goal and sort alphabetical order. And we can also add some headings. So let's say heading 3, areas. Here we add heading 3, goals, and heading 3, tasks. And for the task, we can also add a calendar view for planning. So let's just add a calendar view and we connect it to our tasks. New calendar view. And we don't want to show database title. Let's just name it as a calendar. Layout, show calendar by date. It's fine. And inside the properties, we can show, let's say, goal and completed checkbox. So now we can see our tasks on the calendar and easily drag and drop to plan our tasks. And one thing here is what we can do is we can go to goals, edit goal, edit database, and inside the layout, open pages in side peak. So instead of the pages opening in center, we'll open them in the side peak. So it will be easier to view all tasks for our goals. So yeah, this is how you can build a goal tracker in Notion to track areas of your life, set goals for each area of your life, and then break down those goals into small actionable steps or tasks to progress towards your goals. And if you want ready-made Notion templates, I will leave the link to my Grizzly Templates Marketplace in the comments so you can check it out. And thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a like and subscribe for more Notion related content.